Hello, welcome to Tablescapes and Decor by Candy, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 of my all-time favorite Christmas tablescapes. Now this first tablescape, I call this the traditional glam tablescape, and it really is a serving station more than a tablescape, but I really do love it, and I hope you do too. In this one you can see that I've used some of my red Victoria stem glassware as well as red Victoria-like vases and some other Christmas picks in combination with gold. And again, red and gold, I guess, would really be traditional Christmas colors, red, gold, and green maybe, or red and green. But either way, I really like this one. And this is from last year's season. And I hope that I'll be making some more, putting together some more looks like this for this year. Combination, again, of the red and the gold and combining it with that traditional Christmas greenery is one of the reasons that I really liked this particular serving station. And I think I have another one like this that I'll be sharing with you a little bit later on in the video. But let me know what you think. Do you like this look? Is it one that you would use in your home? Do you think that this might be a way that you can snazz up that Christmas serving station and impress your guests this holiday season? Okay, so when I go back and think about some of my favorite tablescapes or serving stations for the holidays, I had to include this one. Originally, this was going to be a top 5 video, but I had to pull this one in from 2022 because it is one of my all-time favorites. I just love combining silver and gold. I do that a lot in my home as well. So that's what I did for this serving station. Now, this video was originally a part of the Heaven's Pearls, a group that I had a pleasure of being a part of. We were a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers, and we would come together every month bringing you home decor videos, but we would always have a message from the scriptures. And I hope that you'll go and visit all of those ladies. I'll make sure to link them in this video. Now, this one, the silver and gold, again, this one was from 2022. And there you see I've included some DIY ornaments. They're probably my favorite ornaments that I've done on the channel, along with some gold, a touch of that holiday greenery, and of course the silver and the gold, and then the crystals. It's super glam. I even mixed the stemware. I have some silver Victoria stemware mixed with some gold Victoria stemware. I have a silver teapot and a gold teapot. But again, really like that one. And although you may have seen this on the channel before, I wanted to include it because it is one of my favorite all-time looks for the holidays. Now this one is again from 2023, and this is silver and red, as you can see. And silver and red would be traditional Christmas colors, I would think. So in this one, I combined silver and red with touches of glam and glitter. There you see the crystal cake stands again in this one. I'm using my crystal stemware that I really love, along with my crystal gravy boat and creamer. And there you see a set that I got from Ross, I believe, and I just changed out the knobs. And there's some green Christmas picks that I picked up probably at I was going to say Home Goods, but probably it came from those came from Joann Fabrics. The vase is a DIY, and yeah, again, really like this one. Again, I think it's more of a traditional look. Also those little containers in the back, those jars, those are DIYs. I'll make sure to leave links to those videos down in to that DIY video down in my description box. But again, if you like silver and red and that's what you're going with this year, I hope that this will inspire you to come up with something special as a tablescape or serving station, maybe on your buffet, something like that you can do in your home, and especially if you love glam decor, which I obviously do. So again, let me know what you think about this one. Do you like it? Is it something you would do for your home? And I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so for this next tablescape, really it's a serving station. Again, I'm going completely away from traditional, and here I'm combining silver and gold, but with blush as well. I love blush for Christmas, and I don't know if that's something you would do in your home, but I absolutely love it, and I think I'll include blush in my holiday decor for this year as well. So here you see I have my gold Victoria stemware, and I've combined that with some gold and silver containers that are DIYs from my DIY channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. And I have a unique vase there in the back that I picked up at Home Goods. That tray here, or this tray here in the middle, is another DIY that I did on the DIY channel. And there you see different ornaments. These are ornaments that I did on my DIY channel for 2023. And there you see them in the back. I'll make sure to link that video in the description as well. So again, definitely not traditional, but I think it is beautiful and it is glam. At least that's what I think, but I'd love to hear what you think. Is this something you would do for your home? Would you do this kind of glam look, on your buffet or your serving station? Or would you take these elements and create a tablescape from a look like this? Let me know what you think. Okay, so for look number 5, I'm going back to a more traditional look. There you see I've combined elements of the traditional Christmas colors of red and green with gold and white. And it is glam, but it's more of a traditional theme, I think. Again, this is another serving station. Now, the tea set that you see there, the gold and white tea set, that came from Home Goods, but the tray underneath, or the little cake stand underneath, was a DIY. The glass cake stand was thrifted, and I believe this vase came from Home Goods, the red Victoria style vase. The picks probably came from Walmart. Some of the gold picks up top probably came from Joann Fabrics. There you see the little gold reindeer. There's my red Victoria stemware. Now I have them sitting on an oval mirror tray that was a DIY on DIY Design by CCW. And just combined some gold and silver elements, or gold rather and red elements. The cups in the front, those would be, I probably bought them from Home Goods, I think. And I've had them for a long time, but I would say they came from Home Goods. And yeah, that's it. The candle holders in the back came from Ross. The candles on top, I believe, came from, not Walmart. They probably came from Michael's, I would think. But anyway, that's this look. Little more traditional. Let me know what you think. Do you like look number 5? It is very similar to the first look that I showed you, but obviously I combined the elements a little bit different to come up with this more traditional look. Now, for this last look, look number 6, I wanted to share with you the tablescape that I did for my home for the last Christmas season. And I wanted it to be one that I could keep up for winter. So it was supposed to be more of a winter theme than just a specific Christmas look. And if you did watch my home tour video from last year, I'll link that down in the description box. And just in case you didn't, then you'll see how I pulled all of these elements together. But again, last year, my theme for the holidays was silver and gold and blush. So that's what I did for this tablescape, except you don't see any silver in this tablescape. I played more off the gold and the blush. And really, I think last year, I say silver and gold, but it was really a lot of gold and blush, gold, blush, and white. So there you see the gold stemware, the Victoria themed stemware. The plates, most of those would have come from Home Goods, including the bowls, the napkins, and again, all of the linen that you see in this video. This entire video and all of my videos comes from eFavor Mart. I'm an eFavor Mart affiliate, so if you click the link in the description box, you can order anything that you like there. And if you choose to do that, it does kind of help support the channel. The flowers probably came from either Marshall's or Home Goods. And the tray in the middle is a DIY from my DIY channel. And the DIY Design by CCW, I've said that before. The teapot in the front actually came from Ross, and the sugar bowl and creamer actually came from Home Goods. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another video for the holidays very soon. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll do that today. Please go and visit my other channels. I've left links to those channels down in my description box. And if I haven't said it to you already, I want to wish you a very, very happy holiday season from Tablescapes and Decor by Candy. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.